Flash Plus here for your enjoyment.
What? Go ahead.
Today's video is about our Flash Plus membership. We did a previous video on that, but it's been some time.
Yes.
You all right?
Yeah, I think I got a splinter.
You got a splinter?
Yeah, something.
Wait, it's been some time. Hold on, let's see.
Wait, why are you clapping? Just go, they don't care.
Oh, okay, so we're just doing another video on updating you guys. Actually, it's not an update, it's the same information. It's just an updated video. You haven't seen us in a while, and we haven't had that opportunity to really promote it and get people excited about it. And a lot of people still don't know since we only did that one video.
Yes.
So we're here to do another video and here to get you excited about our Flash Plus membership. It is only
$8.99
per month. And you unlock amazing discounts on DTF transfers and on shipping and on expedited shipping. So we're gonna kind of go through that itemized line by line so you can get an idea on what you're signing up for and getting excited for. So the first discount is 22 by 24. Our regular price with I'm gonna say the non-membership, and this fine man is gonna tell you the plus membership.
Oh, okay. What is wrong with you?
Okay, so
Charlie?
I'm getting distracted.
Sick kids.
Our 22 by 24 originally is $19.99, and with our Flash membership, it is
$16.99.
22 by 36 without membership, it is $24.99.
With the Flash Plus membership, it drops down to $21.99.
Our 22 by 60 without Flash Plus membership, it is $44.99.
And with the Flash Plus membership, it drops down to $39.99 for 22 by 60.
Wow, that's
the big
humongous.
5-foot sheet.
That's about this to this.
Yeah,
this is as big as this table. So those are our DTF discounts that you will get with our membership. And now we are gonna go to our discounted shipping. So without our standard shipping, without the Plus membership is $13.
It's $10 if you are a Flash Plus member.
Yay! And then our discounted expedited shipping, next day air is $50 without the membership.
Is it 40?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. It's $40 if you are a Flash Plus member. I always forget the shipping. I know the
2-day shipping for Flash without Flash Plus membership is $40.
And with Flash Plus membership, is it 30?
Baby, that's why I put this here.
That's why you put it there? Oh, it's only $30.
It's only $10. So
it's $10 increments?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, she does all the shipping. I don't be shipping like that. And I always forget. But yes, guys, it's $30 for 2-day shipping, where if you're a Flash Plus member. Oh, and last but not least, if you're a Flash Plus member and you spend over $200, shipping is free.
Free shipping for all orders over $200.
We brought it back. A lot of people wanted to know, are y'all bringing back free shipping? Y'all bringing back free shipping? Well, we had free shipping for a very long time, and then shipping prices went up. So, and our products go up. The tubes that we ship it in is very expensive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So the caps and everything, that stuff adds up, and then it adds weight, you know what I mean? And then we're putting insurance. Also, if you're a Flash Plus member and you have your stuff shipped out, it is insured. So this way, if it gets lost, which thank God, nothing has been lost, nothing has been not landed or anything like that. But if you're a Flash Plus member, you kind of get that, you get that extra VIP access to like, yo, my thing was lost, and we immediately take care of it.
Yes, and I also want to go over the instructions when you're a Flash Plus member.
Oh, yes.
We do have a few members that don't quite got it yet, so I want to go over it just so we can be clear and understand what our instructions are. Once you become a Flash Plus member, you from that point on have to request an invoice for all of the items that you need. If you're a Flash Plus member, we do not have the access to those discounts on our website. So you will be looking for those discounts. Whenever you go to your cart, you will not see those discounts. If you're a member, please request an invoice through email letting me know, hey Chelly, I'm a Flash Plus member. Can I please get a 22 by 60 with standard shipping? Fantastic, Carl. I will send you over that that invoice now. If you don't know what you want, just let us know, hey, I'm a Flash Plus member, and then send us your information or send us your images and we can set up your sheet and figure out how many sheets you will need. But do not order through the website if you are a Flash Plus member. And remember, when you sign up for your Flash Plus membership, it is activated immediately.
Yes.
And it is scheduled to renew every month. So if you do not want it to renew, be sure to cancel that because it is automatically going to renew. And also we have where you're able to set up a free account on our website. So please sign up with your free account. It does not show real-time tracking information or order status information. So just remember, a lot of people think they're gonna see their order status, but we do not, we don't put order status in your account. So you're just able to kind of update your personal information, kind of see what you've ordered in the past, but there's no actual order status there.
Yeah, because it's not linked to how
it's not linked to our printers or anything like that.
Yeah, yep.
So don't forget, request an invoice if you are a Flash Plus member.
You gotta clap with these sticks. So, yeah, guys, that's it, guys. Anything else you want to touch on the Flash Plus membership?
No, it's just that really is important for you guys to request, because I have a few people who will get the membership. So I can see all my emails. They get the membership, they will go order from online. And I'm like, don't order online because you're not getting the discounts that you just signed up for. So it's just, and then I told them like, hey, order through email, and then they did it again. And I'm like, you're not getting your discounts. And it's kind of sad because you're paying monthly and I want you to get those discounts. Yeah,
and we send you an email as soon as you sign up. We send you an email with those instructions.
Yes, with your a flyer with your instructions and then all of your discounts.
Yeah, we want you to spend $16.99 if you are a member. We don't want you to spend the regular $20 for a 22 by 24. We want you to purchase those sheets at the lower discount. I mean, at the lower price. So please take advantage of that. If you are a person who orders that much. Now, if you are not and you only order, once a month or something like that, there's really no reason to pay the $8.99 per month because you're not ordering at that frequency. You know what I mean? You're ordering every now and then. But if you are somebody who, makes a lot of merch, or, you have a home business and you're doing this on a regular basis, or say you just stumbled upon a contract and you're getting a contract for a school or something like that, you want to take advantage of becoming a Flash Plus member, because not only is it just a price change, but as a member, you're gonna be able to talk directly to us. You know what I mean? Email us, you get more personal time because you're a member. So we want to, give you that respect and show you that you're getting what you're paying for.
Valued.
Yeah, that you're valued. Customer. Yeah, that you're a valued customer. You know what I mean? As anybody, if you pay for something, you want to feel some type of value, not just, oh, they're just taking my money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And there's nothing, I don't get any, extra help or anything. And it's like, no, we don't treat our members like that, because we appreciate everybody who purchases members or not. And never forget that we also, so we have the regular customers, the Flash Plus member customers, and then we have the wholesale. So if you are ordering in large sums, we prefer 100 sheets or more. But if you're doing 75, 85, 95 sheets, the price will drop down to $15.99 per sheet. And if you're doing, 500 sheets because you got like a big order or something like that, or you're doing, 500 sheets, but in 4 weeks, like 100 sheets a week or something like that, we can still talk about the price and adjust, because then you're past the and it would be free shipping too. Yes. But then, am I going too long? Oh, then you're past, usually we do under the table the notification if something's wrong.
No, just want to touch your skin.
So if you are, at that point, if you're ordering that many sheets, you're kind of past our Flash Plus member. You will be considered a wholesaler, because you're ordering that much on a consistent basis. And then, you will have your own account with us. You will have that $15.99 price. So we have a lot of things that we offer. A lot of things we offer for every stage of, you got your hustlers, and then you got your business owners, and then you have your wholesalers. So we try to accommodate for everybody. Yep. Anything you want to say or finish out?
I was just thinking about reminding everyone that we are no longer applying taxes to out-of-state customers. So I just want to keep you guys reminded, if you are purchasing out of a state out of Texas, that you will not be charged taxes.
Yes.
Anybody in Texas will get those Texas state tax. So I just wanted to remind people that
Sales tax, not state
sales tax, yes, that will, you know, essentially make your product a little cheaper without those taxes. So just remember that.
Good catch, babe. That is very vital. Yeah, that 8.25%. You're gonna save a ton of money, So, all right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos now that Chelly is back. We're gonna try to continue to pump out a bunch of content. We filmed, if you've seen this green hoodie and this black hoodie, it's because we filmed.
Switch.
Right, it's because we filmed so many videos in one day. So today's Monday. We've been filming since what, 12:50? It's 2:18. So we gotta go check on our sick children, but guys, please be safe out there and definitely jump onto the website because we got all these free Valentine's Day images to download, right?
Free stock images.
Free stock images, and then we have the pre-made gang sheets, and then you can also send us all your images if you want to make a custom Valentine's Day gang sheet at order now at flashcustomtransfers.com or head over to the website.
And Black History Month.
Oh, and Black History Month, yeah, we have free images for download, right?
Yeah.
And pre-made gang sheets, $15, man. Guys.
Let's take our thumbnail after this, sorry.
Oh, all right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Be basic, peace.
Peace.
Lean there.
Oh, baby.
Okay, because I'm trying to have you do it. Lean there, yep, and then point up. Put you.
What?
Look.
Look
He-
at what?
Look. Here, right? But you were doing this.
Well,
I know. It's so, I know. That's why I'm laughing.
Because I'm like, well, I gotta leave.
It like this. It was the man's space. Yo, that's so funny. Because you're like this, and then when you put it out, it's 10 feet gap with a little pterodactyl arms. Okay, so lean like this, and then do it. Look, it's still a gap. Lean.
I don't have to leave. Why do I have to go
Because
my elbow?
I need space in between us, and I can put the word Flash Prime right here. I need space.